At last, the moment you've all waited for. This is It's a Part of You by Shokase. Song all about math. MCs, get your weight up. You gotta give something with substance. So to everyone who was afraid of math, or who's going into algebra 2, algebra 1 for your first time, yo, that was me. That was Shokase. So listen to this song, and I want you to absorb it. It's from a different perspective. Don't be scared of math. Sometimes you just kind of gotta be a demolition derby type of cat, a kamikaze type of cat, and just dive into the deep end. This is how math is. It's a part of you. Let's rip it. Tight like that, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make this thing rip rap. If you don't understand math, you ain't gonna get this song. But this is for all my people who love math, who have got to love math. Check it out. Yo, at first I was a novice, yes, I'll say I didn't get it, but now I'm like Isaac Newton, you can see that I am with it. Integers, they go left to the right, whole numbers and their negatives, I see them in the light. Long division with precision, I call it the funnel process. Work one thing down, the others come next. Absolute values be like looking in the mirror when the number in the brackets, its opposite is near ya. Oh, you don't understand the rhyme, so I gotta make it easy like the numbers was a prime. Exponents, repeated multiplication got you waiting for my next move. Like order of operation, least common multiple, smallest of the two. Got the greatest common factor, I'm the biggest of my crew. As I'm walking on the plane with the sole of my shoes, I am looking at the space that extends in front of you. Math's not easy, this I know, but you gotta take time, in time you'll grow. Sometimes you learn it fast, sometimes it's slow, but you learn it someday. It's a part of you. Math's not easy, this I know, but you gotta take time, in time you'll grow. Sometimes you learn it fast, sometimes it's slow, but you learn it someday, someday, someday. Perimeter, distance around the plane figure, you don't study that hard, it's you that you hinder. Rational numbers can be written like fractions in simplest form, see that's as small as you gettin'. Veritable expressions used to look like the Matrix, now I got the Archimedes because I got patient. Distributive property like tennis and a racket, take the number outside then feed it through the brackets. Dividing polynomials, at first it was a task like grouping by factoring, a painful itchy rash, but had to learn it fast so I could keep up in my class. Only saw the whole picture, simply didn't see the half. Time to break it down when I'm sitting on my bed, so what I learned in class sticks better in my head. Yo, head swim a little, but I tell you that it's natural. Like finding true solutions, you'll see that this is factual. Math's not easy, this I know, but you gotta take time, in time you'll grow. Sometimes you learn it fast, sometimes it's slow, but you'll learn it someday. It's a part of you. Math's not easy, this I know, but you gotta take time, in time you'll grow. Sometimes you learn it fast, sometimes it's slow, but you'll learn it someday, someday, someday. Math, like life to advance, you need to start without a sturdy foundation. Yo, building falls apart. Math is like music, arithmetic, art. It's just like a puzzle, take your time, pick it apart. Subtract your bad attitude, lift up your latitude. Math is not a human, see, you the one that's mad at you. When you understand that you need to pay gratitude to the teacher that spent all the time with you. All her passion comes from the mental lashing. Students ripping and dashing like they trying to cash in. Evaluate the expression, part of the lesson. Look over your notes before class, no guessing. A over B switches places like mystical. B goes on top, that's an example of a reciprocal. It's what I learned about myself. I am better than I might learn math so I can count my cheddar. I learned about myself. I am better than I might learn math so I can count my cheddar. Math's not easy, this I know, but you gotta take time, in time you'll grow. Sometimes you learn it fast, sometimes it's slow, but you'll learn it someday. It's a part of you. Math's not easy, this I know, but you gotta take time, in time you'll grow. Sometimes you learn it fast, sometimes it's slow, but you'll learn it someday, someday, someday. For math, truly I have grown to respect Leonard Euler with the ruler, prepared for what's next. area. I'm on the surface in the region with math. You can't be scared, you gotta dive in the deep end. Yeah, we use math all the time, from figuring your grades to the bills upon your mind. You wanna be a carpenter, they use math too. I'm saying math is in everything, yo son, I'm through. Saying math is in everything, yo son, I'm through. That right there, that song was called It's a Part of You. I apologize to all my fans that it's taken so long, but I had to get that song copywritten because I think it's going to be a really, really big song. I'm going to take this thing so globally, it's not even funny. I'm representing Globe University. That song was dedicated to all the math students, but more importantly, that song was dedicated to Miss Angela Buck. Thank you very much for everything that you have taught me. You have literally made a math student that was like a D student into an A student. So all the students in our class believe in her. She's gonna believe in you, and if you take time, she'll take time with you, and you'll really get to know this stuff, man. If I could do it, you could dang sure do it. Shokase, stand up, baby.